Hi, I'm Ryan Long with the Sue Long Realty Group at Keller Williams. In our new series, we're exploring places to volunteer in Corvallis. Our first stop, the Habitat for Humanity ReStore on Philomath Boulevard.
Habitat for Humanity is an international housing organization, and the whole premise is to provide decent and affordable housing for people in our community. The ReStore is our biggest fundraiser. It's a used home goods store, so anything that goes in or on your home, and all of our profits goes towards our programs of building and repairing homes.
Today we're in the ReStore and learning about options to volunteer here.
Yeah.
What kind of people are you looking for to help out around the store?
So something that we're always looking for is people to kind of adopt in different sections or be our consistent ReStore volunteers.
I'm helping some volunteers organize our electrical section right now.
They have so much material to organize. We're finding like things to try to put them together and then be able to sort them for people. Yeah, it's a lot, but.
I told the boss that I could spend 120 hours on that. Well, I put 120 hours in and it's just as messed up as it was when I came here. But I moved into other parts of the store.
Some people like to be in the back and process donations, so going through and just pricing things and getting them out onto the floor.
We have right here some things that we put out by bulk. So you would go ahead and take these down to our hardware section.
Okay.
And there's a couple more in here, and you'll just go ahead and put them on the shelf.
Okay. What are these called?
We normally just call those shelf brackets.
Shelf bracket. Like a glove?
We also have our truck. We'll go and pick up donations and then bring them back.
What's the most common stuff that you get as donations?
Office supplies like computers or siding from houses, carpets, rugs.
How often do you come by the ReStore to make donations?
I come by your guys' store probably once a week. I hate going to the dump and seeing these beautiful doors, doors that can be reused stuff end up in the pit. A lot of customers I do the installs for, they'll ask me, what do you do? What are you going to do with the old doors? And they're always hinting toward me bringing them to Habitat for Humanity.
Great, I didn't realize they have so many different things that you can come and purchase here. It's fantastic.
So what happens to everything that you can't sell?
Yeah, so we get a lot of stuff that is either too scratched or damaged or been outside and it's just unsellable. For some of that, it goes to its ultimate demise, which is the landfill.
You'll probably ruin this.
We have to pay a dumpster fee like anybody else, so we really try to have as little go into the dumpster as possible.
Do you have to have prior experience to volunteer?
No. So it's really, no prior experience. We take anybody as they are, as they come. So really it's a sign up, show up, and get plugged in.
Wow.
It's pretty easy.
It's pretty easy.
I think it's very easy. They pretty much have something for anybody, even people that may have disabilities could come and help. Community is part of our values, and our particular office is really looking to be part of the community a little bit more and do something where all of my employees can actually get out and come and volunteer for a few hours.
And would you say that coming to the ReStore and volunteering builds a sense of community for you? Or?
Oh my goodness, it's good for mental health. You're doing positive things for the community, and it's challenging work. And it's new every day. You never know what's going to come into the store.
Daniel, thank you so much for the opportunity to learn more about the organization and see the ReStore today.
Thanks for coming in.
We had a great time.
Yeah, appreciate it.
So for more volunteer opportunities, you can find information at bentonhabitat.org/volunteer or find them on Facebook. Thanks, guys.